welcome back to another episode of UXpreneur. I'm your host, Nate Chen, and in today's video, we're going to talk about dark mode. It's all the rage. So grab that popcorn and dim the lights. Let's dive in. So the first thing I want to do is let's actually just copy this down here. That way we don't have to start from scratch. I'll move that over and let's do dark mode here. We'll call it dark mode. The first thing I'm going to do is change the background to be this dark color, and then I'll grab everything else inside, hovering and using shift to click, and that's selection color. I'm going to change it to the light color there. Okay, now it's legible. And this blue, I'm actually going to change to be that purple. And I think it needs to be even brighter, but that'll work for now. Okay. Now that image has a lot of that color in it. And you can see this dark mode doesn't. And so that means we need a different image. So I'm just going to remove this image for now and get this darker color here. It could be that, could be that. We're going to need something with that dark color. So I'm going to copy that, go into Behance, and I'm going to look that color up. So here's our hex color. Let's paste it in, and let's change it from web design to UI UX. It looks like we have some really cool shots here though already. Definitely got some dark mode stuff in here. A new morphic music player. Cool. I definitely see some promising pieces. I'm going to go ahead and click into this one. All right, perfect shot here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and take a screenshot of that for now. Got it. Come back over here and we can paste it down here. And I'm just making it nice and tidy. Here we go. All right, cool. Now I just quickly changed this into, from what used to be just a regular light mode to now a dark mode. Maybe we could spruce things up a little bit there by changing that to a light purple. Interesting. And also, this is a really bright color as well, so it might benefit from being just a little bit of a dimmer color. Okay, so it feels like dark mode already. This is really kind of screaming out, so it does make me question whether or not that too should be a different color. I'm just kind of dimming everything to be that purple. And it feels a lot more sophisticated now. I do question then if we should have an accent like that pink. I'm really not sure because we've been using blue for so long, but there is a lot of pinks everywhere. And if I did that, I imagine this would look much different. I have to actually replace that one. So I don't think this is necessarily, and probably contrast wise, that's good, but still feels like I need to bump it up a little bit. Okay, so to me, this feels better for a dark mode. So now let's go take a look at that. And so there it is. That's how to style our landing page. Up next, we're going to actually take this to code. All right, gang. Hope you enjoyed that video on how to take your landing page hi-fi mockup to dark mode. If you liked this video, click the like button down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell notification so you're notified of the next video, and I'll see you there. Bye.